And seriously, this is why we run trails. Check it out. Blue Mountains in full force. Look at the waterfall. Just incredible. Makes it hard, but that's why it's great. How lucky are we to have this in our backyard, huh? Let's go a little further down. It's been raining quite a bit, as you can tell. So the waterfalls are really looking spectacular. Down at Witch's Leap right now at Katoomba, so just at the bottom of Witch's Leap. But check that out. How incredible, huh? Let's go a little further down. Just awesome, isn't it? It's easy to get your eyes distracted and start looking up or around instead of looking down at your feet. All right, hey, one last view. Look at that, huh? Right, getting ready for the UTA 100 in 2 weeks' time. All right, I gotta get on with some training. Peace out.